Hello. We will now see the installation of Visual Studio Code and the operation of a simple HTML site. We simply say download for macOS. I'm downloading this because my computer is macOS. I've downloaded this before. It goes down very simply over there. It will be done, you will already see. Now when we say add folder workspace in a very simple way, now when we say new folder, it is very simple here. When we create a test folder and throw it into it, this works normally here. When we say new file here, when we create a index.html page, this will work inside the folder in the same way. For example, when you type HTML, HTML5 comes out at the bottom. When you say enter to it, basic HTML meta title codes, body. Come here, and when we say hello world, when you save it, Ctrl S, yes, when you click on your HTML page, hello world also appears.